To switch on Sonnet 3, first attach your battery option. Make sure that the battery pack cover lock is in the unlocked position. Then slide the battery pack cover completely over the battery pack. Sonnet 3 will automatically switch on, shown by the green indicator light in the earhook. If the audio processor belongs to a child, turn the lock into the locked position. To switch off Sonnet 3, make sure the battery pack cover lock is in the unlocked position. Then, pull the battery pack cover down so you can see all of the labeling on the control unit. You do not have to completely remove the battery pack cover to switch off the audio processor. Sonnet 3 will automatically switch off.